A 40-question English quiz covering grammar, vocabulary, and idioms. Try it now. How many can you get right? Choose the closest meaning of edge. Answer C. Border. Choose the synonym of ingenious. Answer A. Clever. Choose the antonym of barricade. Answer C. Clear. What is the opposite of above? Answer A. Below. What does up in the air mean? Answer C. Undecided. What does be in someone's bad books mean? Answer A. Disfavor. What is the plural form of Roma? Answer C. Aromas. What is the plural form of crisis? Answer B. Crises. Fill in the blank. Answer D. I felt completely relaxed after the weekend retreat. Complete the sentence. Answer B. He made many mistakes in his essay. Choose the past form of smell. Answer C. Smelt. What is the past form of hide? Answer B. Hid. Choose the past form of find. Answer B. Found. How do you spell this word? Answer C. Publish. Pick the correct spelling. Answer D. Dangerous. What's the correct spelling? Answer B. Allocate. What is the antonym of remember? Answer C. Forget. Opposite of calamity. Answer A. Prosperity. What is the antonym of bitter? Answer D. Sweet. What word is closest to rigid? Answer B. Inflexible. Choose the synonym for answer. Answer C. Reply. Find the best synonym of dormant. Answer A. Inactive. What does play fast and loose mean? Answer C. Reckless. What does pull out all the stops mean? Answer B. Full effort. What does cry over spilled milk mean? Answer D. Regret past. How do you write plural of accessory? Answer C. Accessories. What is the plural of personality? Answer B. Personalities. Choose the plural of virus. Answer A. Viruses. What is the plural form of inventory? Answer D. Inventories. Choose the past form of realize. Answer B. Realized. How do you form the past of cut? Answer D. Cut. What is the past of criticize? Answer A. Criticized. What is the past tense of accommodate? Answer A. Accommodated. Fill in the blank. Answer C. He is opposed to increasing taxes. Complete the phrase. Answer B. He does think this approach is better. Choose the correct preposition. Answer D. She might have taken the wrong bus. Find the correct option. Answer B. Monolithic. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Chaotic. Which spelling is correct? Answer A. Achievement. Spot the correct spelling. Answer C. Candidate. Congratulations! You did a great job. Tell us your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.